Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get the snow. Ow! Get it, Noah. She's crazy. She freaking loves the snow.
Come on, go check in the bird bath.
Oh, look at her go.
Oh.
Get him, Nola. Just get him. Get him. Get him. Whoa. It's not that deep.
Yeah, that's
5 years, Mom.
Don't walk over on that hill and we'd be able to snowboard down it later.
That one?
Yeah.
Wait, you got rid of my snowboard.
That doesn't mean things.
Come on, check out the bird bath.
I have seen it. I took pictures of it yesterday when it froze.
That's true. Hold on.
Hey! Thank you, Papa.
That's you.
Johnny, just go down the driveway right here. Look. Right here. Just don't hit the garage. Get him back. Don't worry, I'll get him back. Okay, on your mark, get set. Joey, push him. Because he doesn't know how to get a running start.
I do too.
You do? Do it then.
Okay.
I told you guys it's not deep enough. It just started. Oh, you guys are gonna ruin that inner tube.
I'll throw down the grass. Give it to me!
The grass, there's sticks out there. Get him, Nola.
You don't know what to do like that.
Ow. My knees.
Oh.
Is this a real car in your table?
What?
Is this a real car in your table?
No.
Right.
Ah! Dang!
Hey.
You could go down the grass, probably, if you stay right in that area.
You missed. You're gonna go down the grass. Wait, is that on video cam?
Yeah, it's freaking video.
Push me. Push me.
That's all I got since you guys broke my memory card for the video camera.
Hold on, I want to see the list up. Stop. Hang on.
No, I don't have a camera.
That was quick. What?
Why are you eating it? Nala, look at me. Why are you eating it? You crazy dog? Look at her. She's just eating away. Joey, that's nasty.
Remember, Mom.
What? You can make a snow angel. Do it. Nala's gonna eat you. Oh, the snow has drove my dog crazy.
Give me the cup.
Good morning, everybody.